Question about arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. No scaffolding, you're just given a 6-marker and you're told the sum of the first n terms is negative 1512. Find the value of n. Well, don't go anywhere near that yet. You need to look at questions like this and think, what can I do with the information at the beginning? The first 3 terms are these. And what do we know about arithmetic series? Well, they have a common difference. So the difference between 8p minus 3 and 9p must be the same as the difference between 5p and 8p minus 3. So solve that, and we get p is 3. But arithmetic progressions don't require us to know p, do they? They require us to know a and d. Well, it's very easy to work out a, because look, the first term is 9 times 3, which is 27, and we can very quickly substitute our value of p to work out the other 2 terms. It should be 21, 15, and we can see clearly therefore that d is minus 6. So now we're told that the sum of the first n terms is minus 1512. So we're told that Sn is minus 1512. Well, grab the formula book and substitute the expression for Sn. I'm going to double both sides to get rid of the half, and then fill in the rest of that bracket. We'll fill in that bracket with my values of a and d. So 2a is 54, plus n minus 1 times negative 6. And simplifying that bracket gives us this expression here. And then 54 plus 6 allows us to simplify that further, and I've actually multiplied the n through. You've just got a quadratic here. I've decided to make the 6n squared term positive by timesing 3 by minus 1 and bringing it all onto the left-hand side. I can then divide by 6. And then if you can stick that in your class whiz. This isn't a detailed reasoning question, so you can jump straight to the answer probably, but I like to factorise things, and you can always use your class whiz calculator to solve this and then use those solutions to go back and factorise it if you wanted to, which is actually what I did here. So factorise that, and therefore n is 28. But I would just note that we disregard, try not to leave it hanging. You know, obviously n equals minus 18 solves this equation, but since n is a number of terms, we can't have negative 18 terms. I would just write something to tell the examiner that you've acknowledged that this is not a realistic value.